after we do get this out and we take the pictures and they send us a new one, are we looking at getting a plumber out here? And he said, well, that depends on whether you do this sort of thing a lot. He said if you're comfortable doing it, then you might be okay.
One more.
Yes, but I would like to put one of these in to hold the weight.
Okay.
Before I do that, just so that it's comfortable with being let loose. I don't want it to shift.
Okay.
So just something.
This is part 3, by the way, folks.
Which ones? It's one of these. And where I took that from, it's one of these.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not on film.
Oh, it is on part 2.
I just want to hold that so when I take this one out, I don't get any jolts or surprises.
We're going to take a little more.
And I might even put another one in.
Okay, folks, we're back, and we're going to put another screw in just to keep this whole unit assembly stabilized. And then we're going to take our lower screw over here out. And there you go. It's right on the right. You can see it on the right.
Just don't want that moving when I let go, because this is part of the gas. Any surprises? Just gonna wiggle that a little bit.
You might need to loosen those screws on top just to give you some wiggle room. Yep. I think I would like to turn off the furnace.
Well, we certainly should have the gas off.
Yes, it is.
All right. Then we're all right then.
And voila! There is the heat exchanger.
And there's the O-rings, and they're intact. Nothing bad happened.
Now we're going to have
There's
to take
a little bit of water or something right here that we need to show.
All right, I'm going to pause for right now. Hang on one second.
It doesn't yet.
All right, so
This is the part that's supposed
continuing
to slide
forward. Yeah, I think
forward.
these screws are going to have to come out. Continuing forward, we are seeing leaking markings over there. And on the side here, we also could tell inside here that there was some staining.
matches those. I'm gonna put it in with. Should I film it? No, I'm gonna put it over there. Okay. Not on camera, but
Well, I'll do it. I'll put them there when you. We're gonna take a commercial break.
more up here. Maybe one of those, but I don't think so.
So, continuing forward. Oh, there we go. Got that screw. Good. And we're putting the screws
Yeah, we pause so that we don't hear
over there.
Jason grunt.
taking the cover and
it's sitting on a rail right there, so it should slide forward. Okay, I'm gonna do those.
Take those off. Yeah. All right, we're back after a good cup of coffee. What moved when you did that? Okay. Okay.
That doesn't seem to have anything to do with nothing.
Well, that's okay.
If not, we'll put it back in. Oh, never mind. I'm putting it back in.
Okay.
Because what I want is those back there. Those are the ones that are holding the whole unit in.
Eek.
Yeah, we're gonna need a long screwdriver for that.
And we're gonna have to pause so we can get a long screwdriver. Be right back. All right, we're back, and deep inside there are screws
that were not intended for humans to get out.
You can see one back there, so we're going to unscrew those, and hopefully that will get the heat exchanger out.
And they never get these back in.
Somehow, some way. Is that, not what we planned on doing on a Saturday. How'd you do? Get you back.
Yay!
That's one. Lift up on that, wiggle it.
Keep going with it.
Got like one thread left on it.
Problem is it's pointing down.
Yeah. Which means that this has to be
You
shifted.
need a BF vest. Lift up on the back of it somehow.
Well, you know what? You've got it unscrewed enough. I bet you that it's enough, Chase, to be able to move this forward. There's nothing.
At least with that upright position, I can do that last little screw.
All the things that are not showing up in the illustration of how this was put together.
Ambidextrousness.
What was that moved?
The whole thing moved.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's
the
supposed
chimney
to.
too. See, that's what I was concerned about, is I don't think that that was supposed to come loose.
Well, same kind of screw. Buckled up.
feel the sides. Let's see if there's any. Okay. Let's pause for a moment. All right, we're back here.
That goes to that, goes to that. All one.
Just see if unscrewing those screws.
If they're liquid, they don't go to anything.
Okay. Okay.
Just holding in those sensors.